Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Ha ha, la 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 la, ha ha, la 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 la. Come along with me to the orchard by the apple tree. Red and yellow, green so bright. Pick the apple, sweet delight.
Down on the farm where the tall trees sway, farmer smiles and says, what a day. Animals gather one by one, apple picking, so much fun.
Rap, pick, pick, pick the apples high. Reach your hands up to the sky. Crunchy, juicy, fresh and sweet. Apple picking can't be beat. The horse trots over with a happy neigh, grabs an apple, runs away. The cow says moo with a gentle grin. She wants apples in her tin.
Pick them low, pick them high, apples falling from the sky.
The sheep goes by and joins the crew, finding apples bright and new. The goat jumps up with a little hop, reaching apples at the top. Rap, pick, pick, pick the apples bright. Morning sun is glowing light. Red and yellow, green and gold. Apples never getting old. Shh.
Wind is dancing through the trees, rustling leaves in gentle breeze. Animals hum a tune so sweet, tiny hoof steps tap their beat.
Now the duck waddles with a quack quack sound, pecking apples on the ground. The hen clucks loud with happy cheer. Farmer's apples are the best right here. I pick, pick, pick the apples high. Reach your hands up to the sky. Crunchy, juicy, fresh and sweet. Apple picking can't be beat. La 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 la. Animals resting, day is done. Farmer smiles, the sky turns gold. Good night, apples.
Good night, farm. Good night.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.